Hey Pitmasters, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to make my too hot chili dog recipe. I'm a big fan of chili dogs as a snack and I'm going to show you my favorite recipe. But before we're going to do that, we're going to add a little bit more charcoal to the grill. I'm taking off the grill grate and I already have some charcoal there lit up. In this case, we do not need to start up new charcoal. We're just going to add some to the existing fire that we have. Keep in mind that there are two ways to control the temperature in your barbecue. One is by controlling the airflow, and two is by controlling the amount of fuel that you add to your barbecue. And with an open grill like this, we can't control our airflow. So I don't want to put in too much charcoal so that the heat will not get too high. Let's put the grill grate on. And now we need a pan for our chili sauce. This pan hasn't been used in a while and it could do with a little bit of oil. So now it's time to start slicing up our ingredients. We'll start with our onion. They can go straight into the pan to soften up. And 2 cloves of garlic that will slice fine. We'll add them to the pan as well. 1 big red tomato. We're just going to put this tomato in for texture. Now of course this is a chili, so we need peppers. They're going to provide us with the heat that we need. Let's slice them real fine and put them in the pan. Now we'll add 500 grams of minced pork beef. Our minced beef is nice and fine. Now it's time to add our passata. Passata is grated tomato and that makes it real fine. So we're going to add about half of this, and that's 350 grams. We're also going to add chili sauce. We're going to add a lot of that because this mainly consists of sugar and chilies. So that's exactly what we want for our chili. So we'll add around 100 milliliters of chili sauce. Now we get to the ketchup manis. I get a lot of questions about this. It's a sweet Indonesian soy sauce and it tastes amazing. So you need to add this to your arsenal. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of that. We're also going to add a tablespoon of our favorite Worcestershire sauce. And to finish it off, some raw cane sugar. About half a handful. Now we'll stir that up. Now of course we also need a little bit of salt and pepper. Our chili sauce is almost done, but first we got to give it a try to make sure that the flavor is right. Ow. Spot on. It's sweet, it's sharp, that's a real chili sauce. Perfect for our hot dog. So we're taking our chili sauce off the grill and set it aside. This is what is sold here in the Netherlands as a hot dog bun. And let's slice that open real quick. It's half a decent bun, but it's really heavy and thick. Now this is what they call in the Netherlands a white point. A white bun, and look at that, it's much more fluffy. And what I want you guys to do if you're recreating this recipe, just get the best buns you can. Don't worry about it. If it's a hot dog, just go for that fluffy white bread, real airy. Now of course you can slice your bun like this, but it makes it look like an ordinary bun. For really good presentations, we'll slice our bun on the top. Go in right there. And this way we can have our sausage in there together with our chili sauce, put some stuff on the top. It's going to make it look really good. Now our sausages are equally important. In the Netherlands we have these horrible hot dogs. They are canned and when you snap them they don't even pop. So I'm looking for the best sausage that I can find, and in our case that's the German bockwurst. Look at that, you can immediately see it from the color. A decent bockwurst sausage. So we'll put this straight on the grill. Our grill is now at a moderate temperature. We do not want a high heat on these sausages. We just want to heat them up slowly, get a little bit of char on them, and then they're done. While our sausages are getting up to temperature, we can start working on our topping. We want to use a sweet onion. It's much milder in flavor and it tastes a little bit sweeter, so that's perfect. Now if you like it really hot, you can slice one of these fine as well. These sausages start to pop, that means they're ready to take off the grill. We got everything ready to go. We got our chili sauce, we got our grilled sausage, we got our sweet onion and a hot green pepper. Together with our ketchup and mustard, we're ready to build up this beautiful sandwich. First we'll put in our chili, then we'll put in our hot dog, put some of that sweet onion on top, some of those green peppers. Oh boy, this stuff looks so good. I just want to sink my teeth into this. Oh man, are you ready? There we go. Well, it's sweet, sour, spicy. Chili dogs, man, they're just so good. Oh, the ultimate fast food. This is such a simple recipe, but if you use the right ingredients, a good sausage, a good bun and a homemade chili, it turns into something special. I urge you, make your own hot chili dog. You're gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video, and if you did, smash that like button and leave me a comment down below because I wanna know what your favorite chili dog recipe is. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that's supporting our channel through Patreon or as a member here on YouTube. If you want to find out more about the perks that come with that, go down below to the video description. See you guys in the next video, and in the meantime, keep on grilling and eet smakelijk.